In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a collapsible text in the Wix Editor. Collapsible text is a great tool for organizing content on your website while keeping the layout clean and user-friendly. It allows you to provide detailed information without overwhelming your visitors, making it especially useful for FAQs, product details, or sections with optional reading. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add collapsible text, but also how to fully customize it to match your website's design. So if you're ready, let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to log into your Wix account and navigate to your website editor. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the page where you'd like to add the collapsible text. This could be your home page, an FAQ page, or any other section where you feel collapsible text will enhance the user experience. Selecting the right page is important because it sets the context for how this feature will be used by your visitors. Now, take a look at the left-hand sidebar in the Wix editor. You'll see a plus icon there. Click on it. This will open the Elements menu, which is where you can find all the design components you can add to your site. From the list of element options that appears, click on the one labeled Text. This is where you'll find various types of text elements that Wix has to offer. Within the text options, scroll until you find the collapsible text element. Once you spot it, click on it. You'll notice that Wix provides a few predefined styles for collapsible text. These styles vary in terms of layout and design, so take a moment to click through them. Look for one that aligns best with your website's visual theme and overall aesthetic. When you've made your selection, click on it to add it to your page. After inserting the collapsible text box, the next step is to input your content. Click on the text area, and then select Change Text here. You can type in or paste the information you want displayed. This could be anything from a detailed explanation about a product to an answer to a frequently asked question. Make sure the content is clear, concise, and valuable to your audience. Next, you'll want to customize the buttons that control the collapsible text. Start by clicking on the Expand button. Once selected, you can modify the text on the button itself. Choose wording that's clear, inviting, and gives users a reason to click. For example, you could use phrases like read more or learn about this. After updating the Expand button, do the same for the Collapse button. Click on it and then edit the text to make it clear that the user can hide the content with a simple click. For example, you might use Show Less or Close Details. With the content and buttons set up, it's time to focus on the design. Click on the collapsible text box and then select Change Design. This is where you can truly make the text element your own. Adjust the style, font, and font size to ensure it matches the rest of your website. Pay attention to details like character spacing and line spacing, as these can greatly affect readability. You can also modify the colors, borders, and other visual elements to ensure the collapsible text blends seamlessly with your site's overall design. Finally, take a moment to review everything. Look at the collapsible text box in the context of your entire page. Check for visual consistency and ensure that the text is easy to read. As you test the expand and collapse functions, make sure they work smoothly and are intuitive for your visitors. This final review step is critical for delivering a polished and professional user experience. And that's it. You've now successfully added and customized a collapsible text box in the Wix editor. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.